the pod entering to your left, you have a bathroom. Let's see. With the sliding door here, separate the sink area. To the right, closet. With a safe here. And this is a DVC studio villa. This, from what I understand, is a cooler. It is not a refrigerator, so it's not going to get colder than like 40 degrees, I believe. Keurig. Two queen beds, side table with USB. It seems like it's coming off the wall there a little bit. Okay, this sofa flips out to a bed, so sleeps a fifth person. Drawer space. Plenty of space underneath. And some nightstand space. Ooh, room service. And then also another table on the side of the bed. Some reading lights. This has a nice vaulted ceiling in this room. Oh, pool view. Which means you might be able to see fireworks from here. Nice patio. It's really nice and spacious. I really like it. It's very pretty.